Hi, welcome to my another video today. I will help you choose the 4 best 3D printers under $300 on the market. I have made it based on my personal researches and I am trying to list those based on price, quality, and more. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting number 1, Conversant Reality Ender 3 Pro 3D Printer. There are 2 vectors that are of the utmost priority when we evaluate 3D printers for this list: level of customization and the quality of the results. And Conversant Reality Ender 3 Pro sticks the landing on both fronts. It can be easily hacked to produce more complex and original results, and the ability to upgrade it means that you can get in on the ground floor for a reasonable investment and scale up as your scope and ambitions grow. It's also relatively compact in size, so it allows you to flex your skills as a maker without having to create an entire workshop for your efforts. At number 2, Monoprice Select Mini 3D Printer V2. The Monoprice Select is undoubtedly a serious step up in quality from the base-level Monoprice Delta. Not only does this desktop 3D printer support every filament material you can imagine, but it also offers substantially larger builds and a significantly better speed. The color LCD screen is incredibly user-friendly, and it comes with all the expected connectivity features for bringing your 3D models to life. 2 separate fans keeping everything cool even under pressure, and it makes use of a simple extruder and plate. But its basic design works remarkably well, proving that sometimes simple is better for 3D printers. At number 3, Qidi Technology X12 Single Extruder 3D Printer. Chinese company Qidi is known for producing exceptional budget 3D printers, but the X12 is arguably the best printer under $300 for anyone who's just getting started in the field. This DIY 3D printer is exceptionally large considering its relatively small maximum size, but its laser offers some of the best results you'll find anywhere with a fairly basic 100-micron accuracy, and supports a max speed above a lot of even its best contemporaries. This 3D printer under $300 is also more serious than its contemporaries, allowing it to function for reliable semi-professional 3D printing in the long term. At number 4, JGmaker Magic 3D Printer. While the JGmaker isn't exactly a 3D printer that innovates, it does a lot right in terms of fundamentals for a 3D printer under $300. A spacious build surface and a fully aluminum extrusion frame are features of convenience that will appeal to a lot of makers, and this 3D printer will even resume work where it left off if there's a power outage. The build speed and quality sit right in the middle of the pack amongst other 3D printers under $300. In other words, it doesn't do a lot that's new, but this inexpensive 3D printer understands the fundamentals and gets them right essentially across the board.
So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.